yung mga gusto pong magbigay ng questions for our dear Sir Ralph from Department of Information and Communications Technology. You can shoot your questions po para kay Sir. Siguro we will limit to 3 questions po. Ayan, sige po. Please state your name at kung taga-saan po tayo.
Hi, good morning. My name is Sharbin, also known as DJ Agostino of Spirit FM Sorsogon, Diocese of Sorsogon. My question is, sir, qualified ba if you're going to request from our diocese to have a DICT, yung free service nyo? Or meron bang requirements na para mag-request from DICT ng free internet or Wi-Fi?
Regarding po sir sa free internet or free Wi-Fi, kumbaga kasi under the Republic Act 10929, so dapat para mag-qualify po siya to be a beneficiary, it must be a public place like public school, yung po mga public parks and plazas, as well as yung mga transport terminals, even yung mga libraries and mga schools, SUCs, which are currently controlled and managed by the government. Yun. So kumbaga mas ano po yung partnership po and makapag-provide talaga ng access po sa lahat ng citizens po. Pero kung halimbawa po may mga community po or barangay na gusto mag-avail po ng free services like yung free Wi-Fi, feel free to write a request letter din po addressed to our regional director and to our regional director Rachel Anpig Grabador, and yun, i-email lang po natin at region5@dict.co. And aside po dun sa free Wi-Fi, meron din po kaming mga free services like free trainings, digital literacy trainings na pwede rin pong mag-benefit ang mga communities po natin.
Okay. So, ibig sabihin, sir, once we are having conference with our diocese, pwede po ma-invite kayo about ano ba yung mga kailangan maintindihan ng kada parokya when it comes to internet services?
Yes po. I think we can be invited naman po. Meron din po kaming provincial office in Sorsogon. Yun. So, yun. Kumbaga, meron kaming mga provincial offices wherein bawat province can be assisted by the DICT when it comes to sa mga free services po. Yun. Pwede naman po tayo, sir, mag-request po ng presentation or engagement. Yun. Para mas mapag-usapan po and kumbaga ma-clarify po yung mga services din po being offered by our office.
Okay. Yun lang po, sir. Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much, sir. Next question po. Go ahead, sir. You can just join us near the microphone.
Father Felbert po from the Diocese of Virac. Yung talk niya to sa e-waste, it's really important concerning din sa Gabos. It was inspiring na nakapag-isip ako bilang director kang social communication sa diocese to conduct collection siguro sa mga parishes kada parokya or maybe designate drop-off sites sa mga simbahan. Pero pag-iisip ko, paano pag natipon ta na Gabos, sa inta to dadarahon? Sa inta itatapok? Igwada kita ning general collections na dadarahon mga digdi sa sarong lugar na init para data suluon o anong gigibuhon tayo? Yan ang inot kong hapot. Tapos dagdag ko na lang po, second question, na baka po aram din kan DICT. Ito po bagang registration ka mga cellphones, ka mga SIM cards. Ano na pong nangyari kadto? Sagkod ko niyan, dakulon pa man siyempre ng spams. Mga ag-aapod na pag-igwa ka ng phone identifier or call identifier pero may sinasabi potential scammer, potential spam. Ano na pong nangyari kay itong registration ka sa tuyang mga SIM cards? Thank you po.
Thank you po, sir. Thank you po, Father, for the question. Regarding po dun sa first question, regarding po dun sa drop-off points, on the part kasi ng DICT po, hindi kami talaga concerned regarding dun sa mga regulations po. So, kumbaga yun ang mga napakita ko kanina na projects po, although yun, may mga indirect impact po siya when it comes to e-management. Siguro pagdating dun sa mga drop-off points, so I think we can coordinate this with DNR or kung meron po mga local government units, kumbaga parang kumbaga we can set collaboration, kumbaga para makapag tayo ng mga drop-off points within the community. Yon, para kumbaga we can properly manage po yung mga e-waste within our community. And then regarding naman po doon sa SIM card registration, yon, actually yung po mga bagong tawag dito. Actually, yung pong SIM card registration, this is still ongoing effort po ng department. And sadly, yun nga po, may mga, despite these efforts po, may mga na-encounter pa rin po mga, some citizens are encountering some issues pa rin, like yung mga scams. On the part of the DICT kasi, we are also encouraging po yung mga telcos to implement yung mga much stricter measures din para ma-verify yung identity ng mga nag-register. And kung meron man po tayong mga na-encounter pa rin na issues when it comes to mga scams or mga cybersecurity related issues, you can also submit a complaint din po sa aming department. Meron din po kaming Cybersecurity Bureau, yung CICC. Yon. So, they're very willing and ready to assist kung meron po tayong mga na-encounter na concerns when it comes to SIM-related scams and incidents po. Thank you, thank you po, Father.
Thank you po. All right, last one po for our question and answer. Again, we have Sir Ralph from DICT. Go ahead, ma'am.
Good morning po from St. John, it was 3rd Guasay Parish. As a parish secretary, so ito pong implementation nyo or kung hindi nyo pa po na-implement, as far as I know, na ang mga LGUs po, meron po silang recycling, pero never pa ko po narinig po itong e-waste. So siguro po, if ever po ang mga parokya, parishes po mag-implement po nito, first and foremost po, siguro sa LGUs. Kasi kung mag-implement po tayo sa parishes po natin, na without the support of the LGUs, nothing po, hindi po siya magagawa. Kasi doon po tayo naka-base po sa kanila. Saan po natin dadalhin po yung mga i-waste po natin if the LGUs will not support us. So, thank you very much po.
Ayun po. Thank you po, ma'am, for the comment. Yes po, isa din po sa mga factors din siguro when it comes to e-management, e-waste management is yung support from the LGUs. Although sadly kasi si DICT, kumbaga wala naman kaming direct intervention with that kasi kumbaga ang concern kasi is waste management po. Yun. So siguro ang mapoprovide lang din po ni DICT is kumbaga yun nga po yung mga digital literacy campaigns, yung mga tamang paggamit mo ng mga gadgets. Yun. So kumbaga yung responsible use ng ICT. Pero yun po, thank you po ma'am for that comment po.
Okay na po? Alright. So, ladies and gentlemen, sana po nasagot ni Sir Ralph ang inyong mga katanungan. Palakpakan po natin, ladies and gentlemen, representing the Department of Information and Communications Technology or DICT. Palakpakan po ulit natin Sir Ralph de la Torre. And let's invite once again on stage Father Kevin and Father Neil as we give our certificate of appreciation to our friends from DICT. So reading our certificate of appreciation, Of course, we have Sir Ralph De La Torre, okay, in behalf of Ms. Rachel Ann Grabador, for dedicating his time and effort as resource speaker during the conduct of the first Bicol Catholic Media Convention, given this 31st day of May 2025 at Legazpi City Convention Center, Expo Airport Road, Legazpi City. Palakpakan po ulit natin, Mr. Ralph De La Torre. Maraming salamat, sir. Sana ay may natutunan tayo about technological waste management. Again, for more details, you can visit the official social media accounts of DICT Regional Office 5. Maraming salamat. Palakpakan po ulit natin si Sir Ralph. Thank you. Again, don't forget, we have our official verse